Discover Phytomedicine Tea for instant relief. Is used for treatment and prevention of lumbar spondylosis, cervical spondylosis, arthritis, gallbladder stone, kidney stone, uric acid, and back and waist pain. Service is used for treatment and prevention of diabetes, urinary tract infection, unhealing wound, bladder infection, and servicing all the vital organs in the body. UCLS is used for treatment and prevention of peptic ulcer, gastric ulcer, indigestion, and any type of ulcer. NASA drop is used for treatment and prevention of persistent headache. Ginger Plus is used for treatment and prevention of high blood pressure, pneumonia, chest pain, heart disease, and liver problem. Oregon Plus is used for prevention and treatment of itching of private parts, lower abdominal pain, frequent discharge. MST is used for treatment and prevention of low immune system, cancer, brain tonic, insomnia, Parkinson, and seesaw. Blood detergent is used for prevention and treatment of itching of the body after baths, numbness of hand, dizziness of the eye, and movement of strange objects in the body. Restorement is used for prevention and treatment of any type of stroke. Or MTV is used for multivitamin, tonic, and patients with sickle cell anemia. Lung cleanser is used for prevention and treatment of asthma, cough, and also work as lung cleanser. Malawin and typodine is used for treatment and prevention of malaria, typhoid, and stomach infection. Atoshe is used for treatment and prevention of menstrual problem, menstrual tension, and also used as a flusher. Amiman is used treatment and prevention of erectile dysfunction, hormonal imbalances, low sperm count. Apov is used for treatment and prevention of hemorrhoid, rectum problem, prostate enlargement, ovarian cyst, fallopian tube blockage, pelvic inflammatory disease.